Meaning of air.
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 Air. The word err means to make a mistake or to be mistaken in one's actions, thoughts, or beliefs. It could refer to a range of different errors, from simple slip-ups to serious misjudgments. Erring is a normal part of the human experience, and can serve as a valuable opportunity for learning, growth, and self-improvement. However, repeated or egregious errors can have significant consequences, particularly in domains where accuracy and precision are important, such as science, medicine, or engineering.